Are you looking for the best cheese graters? Cheese graters are a staple kitchen tool that do more than just shred cheese. They influence flavor distribution, texture, and recipe prep time. The category spans compact, manual hand crank models, box graters with multiple sides, and more modern rotary designs that promise hands-free operation and faster results. For this comparison, I tested 5 popular models across price bands from budget to premium. Product number 1, Cambomb Rotary Cheese Grater. Overview. Cambomb's rotary hand crank design leverages a suction base and 3 blades, coarse, fine, and slicing, to deliver fast, hands-free shredding without direct contact with the blade. The unit uses 430 stainless steel blades and BPA-free plastic components, and it claims dishwasher top safety for easy cleanup. With a compact footprint, 6.5 inches long by 5.5 inches wide by 10.8 inches high, it's positioned as a feature-rich option in the near-premium tier. Performance-wise, the 3-blade arrangement allows quick adjustments for shredding versus slicing, and the suction base provides good stability on glass or marble surfaces. In use, the non-slit base reduces countertop movement, which is especially helpful when shredding firmer cheeses like cheddar or parmesan. The 430 stainless steel blades stay sharp with repeated use, and the included cleaning brush simplifies post-use maintenance. However, the all-plastic housing means that long-term durability may hinge on the plastic wear at the crank and lid interfaces. Cleaning is straightforward, though larger blocks of cheese may require pre-cutting to fit the feeding chamber. For households that frequently grate parmesan or mozzarella for pizzas, pastas, or salads, Cambomb offers a compelling, though slightly heavier, alternative to simpler hand graters. Product number 2, Orocomb Rotary Cheese. Overview. Orocomb presents a 3-blade rotary grater with a compact cylindrical form and a built-in handle for controlled cranking. The device accommodates cheese, vegetables, nuts, and chocolate with ABS plastic housing and stainless steel blades. Weighing about 2.03 pounds, this model emphasizes space efficiency and multifunction capability in a single unit. In practice, the crank action reduces finger proximity to blades, and the 3 blades, slicing, coarse, and fine, cover a broad range of tasks from shredding cheese for pizza toppings to grating chocolate for dessert garnishes. The unit's design aims to minimize manual blade contact and deliver consistent particle size with repeated turns. While the absence of electricity is a plus for simplicity and cleanliness, edges and the feed chute can be a pinch point during loading. Cleaning is straightforward with detachable parts, and the unit is dishwasher safe on top racks. For users who want a compact, diverse tool without power, Orocomb offers a capable option that excels in versatility rather than singular peak performance. Product number 3, Urban Strive Cheese Grater with Overview. Urban Strive positions this box grater as a budget-friendly, all-in-one solution with 4 sides: coarse, medium, fine, and slicing, and an attachable container with a non-slit base. Constructed from 304 stainless steel, the design emphasizes durability and practicality at a sub-$10 price point, making it a strong value proposition for those who want a simple, all-purpose grater. In use, the 4 sides deliver a wide range of grating textures, while the included container helps reduce countertop mess and simplifies transfer to bowls or recipes. The ergonomic handle and non-slit base contribute to comfortable, long sessions of grating without slips. The major caveats at this price point are potential variability in blade sharpness and finish quality across units, plus generic construction that may show wear sooner than higher-priced tools. Still, for occasional shredding of hard cheeses like parmesan or grating vegetables for salads, it performs reliably, with the dishwasher-safe claim further enhancing convenience for busy households. Product number 4, Geedle Rotary Cheese Grater. Overview. Geedle's rotary grater combines a white ABS body with 3 stainless steel blades and a clear barrel, designed to deliver fast shredding with a hands-on, low-effort crank action.
It emphasizes easy cleaning, a secure suction base, and a detachable design that aims to reduce jamming during operation. The unit weighs roughly 12.8 ounces and includes a food pusher to keep hands safe during use. In practice, the transparent barrel allows users to monitor shred size and progress, while the inclined design reduces clogging when grating foods like hard cheese or nuts. The three-blade system covers slicing, shredding, and grinding, and the safety features, hand rest from the crank and a suction base, improve user confidence. Cleanup is straightforward since all parts are detachable and top-rack dishwasher safe. Given its premium price point, close to $30, Gietl's build quality, blade durability, and user-friendly features justify the investment for users who prioritize speed, safety, and ease of cleaning in a compact rotary system.
Product number 5. Spring Chef Professional Cheese. Overview. Spring Chef's XL 4-sided box grater emphasizes capacity and versatility, featuring coarse, medium, fine/zester, and a slicer surface. Built with stainless steel and a contoured, wider footprint, it is designed for heavy-duty grating tasks with a sturdy, non-slip base. It also offers a removable bottom rubber to prevent slipping and escape of shredded material. In practice, the extra-wide design enables faster shredding of large cheese blocks and vegetables, reducing handling time for busy cooks. The 4-sided configuration covers most standard tasks, making it a strong single-tool replacement for separate graters. Cleaning is straightforward due to dishwasher compatibility, though the larger size may be less convenient for small kitchens and storage. The main advantage is its combination of volume, durability, and consistent performance, making it ideal for frequent grating tasks in home kitchens or small professional settings that don't require heavy-duty commercial equipment.